Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this GlintSkin 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor. This is a rechargeable handheld device that combines 7 LED light therapy modes, EMS, which is electrical muscle stimulation massage, and heat functionality to deliver at-home professional-grade treatments for acne, fine lines, wrinkles. The website claims that it's clinically backed to boost collagen production, reduce inflammation, and improve facial symmetry by facial sculpting. So, these are sort of the claimed effects of red light therapy and all these different light therapies. It had 4.9-star reviews on their website, and I thought it may be worth trying out for a wrinkle reduction. They say in 1 week you start seeing a little glow on your face. A month you can see a significant change, and drastic effects by 3 months of consistent use. Consistent use means 1 to 2 times a day, about 15 minutes each maximum sessions. So essentially what they tell you to do is use your normal skincare routine. So whatever serum you apply for hydration, and you massage it in using the light therapy. This is the device itself. There's a cover you can remove, and you can see this non-corrosive metal pad here. So this is the part that kind of contacts the face. It's nice and cooling. This device, as you can see, is nice and ergonomic to hold. To turn it on, you're going to press it for a few seconds. And once it turns on, you're going to click until you have the light therapy you want. If you look at the manual, it'll tell you what each and every different light color will do to your skin. For example, the red light improves collagen production and reduces wrinkles and things like that, and it actually improves your skin as well. And it is very common. So as you can see, when I'm not touching my face, it's not vibrating. As soon as I touch my face, it starts vibrating. The electrical muscle stimulation targets underlying facial muscles to lift, tone, and sculpt your jawline, cheeks, neck, whichever area you're using on. So when it doesn't contact my skin, as you can see, it stopped massaging massages due to my beard, but as soon as I'm on my skin, it's doing the massaging. As you're using it, actually warms up as well. As it warms up, it allows you to absorb more of your serum. The pores open, there's better blood circulation, and so the product you're using will be more effective. Let's go and apply some serum. This is the Clinique hydrating jelly. So I'm just going to apply some of that around my face and start massaging with this device and see how I feel. So again, as soon as I apply it to my skin, you can see it vibrates. You don't have to do anything special to activate it. So all you're going to do is go through your skin and apply your serum. The battery is supposed to last 3 hours, so it's USB-C rechargeable. In the box is a cable included. It should last you about a week if you're using it consistently. And I can already start feeling the warmth. The massaging as well as the heat is allowing me to completely absorb that serum. The material on here, like I said, is anti-corrosive, and it will not absorb the serum itself. So the serum is left behind on your skin, hydrating your skin. It feels nice around your face as well as you're doing your skincare routine. And you can use it while you're watching TV or anything like that, so that you can spend the entire 10 to 15 minutes doing this routine. You can see here that the EMS, the LED, you can click here to increase the level. As you press the button here, you can see actually it'll tell you the level as well as the warmth and things like that. So it says hot here, you can say clean, and then EMS. So EMS is, in this mode, the EMS will be on, which is the vibration. You can do hot. So it seems like on the red light, it seems like on the red light as well as the green light, you have the EMS mode on. So I prefer the red light mode, but you can also do EMS mode and the green light mode, which is a more comprehensive approach to light therapy. So there's many different theories as to what light you should use. You should do your own research, but I prefer the red light therapy. And it's at this point, it's been on for a couple of minutes, and now I can really feel the warmth. It's much warmer, and it feels nicer on the face as well, especially when applying in the cold weather. This is going to be nice for your skin as well. As I said, the red light boosts collagen, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. The blue light targets acne by killing bacteria. The green light soothes pigmentation and even skin tone, evens your skin tone. Yellow light reduces redness and inflammation. The cyan light, which is this one is combines blue and green to repair and calm irritated skin. These are the claims now. These are the claims they are making. And then the white light promotes healing and boosts nutrient absorption. Please don't use the product if you have if you take medication that increases. If you're taking medication that increases light sensitivity, you probably should not use this device. For example, doxycycline or other medications that increase your skin sensitivity. I'll leave a link to this product in the description below in case you're curious and you want to purchase this item. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.